morning everyone. Today we are headed to Halong Bay in style.
This is so fancy.
Like look at the seats, you can see back there, it's like leather seating.
So calm.
Looks amazing. And it got like little, I don't know what these are, maybe Wi-Fi or something?
Oh my god, please me.
I don't know, oh it's like...
Oh no freaking way, it's a massage.
And you can pull your seat back and everything, so this is going to be a lot of fun, a lot of comfort while we travel. Yes.
This is amazing. Whee. So getting into Halong Bay.
Look at this guy. This guy is rowing us.
Nhẹ thế nào không? Chéo nhẹ thế nào không?
So cool.
Biết nhẹ vậy mà mình tao thì ra đây phải xem cái vai tao
This
giờ
is
nó tọt ra
our view
khác
right
bỏng.
now.
Watch while Dan capsizes us all.
No idea what I'm doing.
Circular motions. Upper body strength.
It's not that easy.
Not an easy job. Going around in circles.
afternoon, everyone. We have just arrived at our hotel in Hawaii. It's called the Serene Palace Hotel and it looks amazing. Just do a quick room tour for you. So, got a double bed and with little rose petals, isn't that cute? Got a little desk over here with complimentary stuff, fruit, water, tea, coffee. You can see the TV over there. Have a look at this view of Hawaii, overlooking Hawaii. That's so cool. We've even got a computer in this room. Like, how cool is that? And the bathroom. So the bathroom is really nice as well. Big and open shower and bath. So, nice big bedroom and bathroom.
So how much did your beer cost, Ian?
$25,000, which is about $1.30 in Australia.
$1.30 for your beer.
Yeah.
And how much did your meal cost?
$70,000, which is like $3.
So all up.
$4. Maybe $5.
Okay, name a place where you'll get a meal for that in Australia. That's right, you can't. Dan's just having his Vietnamese vegetarian soup.
Vegetarian food.
Yeah. It looks pretty delicious. And we've also just ordered Vietnamese coffee, which is with condensed milk, and it's amazing. So good. And I just have a crepe with some banana on it, and I'm going to get some fruit in a second because the buffet with the fruit looks amazing. Enjoying that?
Good morning, everyone. This is our first full day in Hawaii today. So we're gonna go into the Imperial City, look at the Citadel. But first we have to do an important job. We're going away for 3 months. We've been away for about a week now. And a very important job is washing clothes. So Kaylee is just filling up the bath now so we can wash our basics, our underwear and socks. Got this tiny little window. Check out that view. Like, and we can open the window, this one, so I can go right out and have a look so you can see right around. So the weather looks kind of grey today, but it's actually quite warm here. And the really cool thing about this area is, like, this is all residential houses. So there's a guy over there walking on his roof, and there's people with their clothing hanging out to dry over there. And this is like people's backyards and stuff, so this is really, really cool. Here is our wet, washed clothes. Guys, this is improv right here, just kind of hanging it up with our little clothesline things right against the window. So hopefully they dry by the end of today, because we are actually headed to Hoi An tomorrow and we need them to be dried by then.
Welcome to day 2 of being in Hue in Vietnam, guys. We had a really good night last night. We had, I think we put it in the last vlog, or in the last day's vlog, but we had some French food. Well, Dan had sort of Vietnamase food at a French restaurant.
French-Vietnamese fusion kind of restaurant.
Yeah, so we had that, and it was really good. But yeah, today we are just walking around the streets and going up to the Citadel, I think it is, and which is quite famous in Hue. It was pretty funny last night. We were walking along one of the streets and Dan literally got approached for weed twice within about the span of a minute. So clearly you just look like a stoner.
I don't know what it is.
It must be the type of person you look like. Like, what do you reckon, guys?
Do I look like a typical stoner? I don't know.
I love that they didn't approach me at all, or like anyone else on the street. It was like just him, so pretty funny. Anyway, we're gonna see how we go with today. It's quite warm here actually compared to Hanoi. So yeah, hopefully it's a good day. Where are we at, Dan?
We have just entered into, I think, the Imperial City.
It looks pretty cool and pretty old at this stage. We actually don't know how old it is. We're trying to find that out at the moment.
Hopefully there's some signs in there. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's really cool.
Like, look at this place.
Yeah. And the cool thing about it so far is we haven't seen a lot of tourists.
Yeah, there's not like a heap of people here today. It must be low season here at the moment still, but yeah, it's just beautiful. Like the architecture, Asian architecture, man, they had it right. They really got it right.
We currently have a new obsession, guys. Condensed milk in coffee, which seems to be a popular thing here in Vietnam.
Oh
We just got some from Highlands Coffee, which I think might be like the Starbucks of Vietnam, and they're really, really good.
So good. And then they've also got like banh mi here for like, what was it, $1 Australian? Just can't go wrong.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are checking out of our hotel in Hue, and we're headed to Hoi An. So got about a 3-hour drive ahead of us soon. We'll probably leave in about 20 minutes when our transfer picks us up. So we're just checking out of our room. So this is the last time we'll see this view, and it looks like it's going to be a nice, beautiful, sunny day here in Hue. Hopefully it's like that in Hoi An as well. We're all packed up. I think we're ready to go. Ready?
Kind of.
Kind of?
Yeah.
We'll soon see.
Yeah.
So we will catch up with you guys soon, and I think with our transfer we actually make a few stops along the way. It's kind of like a mini transfer tour, so they take us to a few different stops along the way, so we'll maybe do some video along the way as well. First stop, Lap and Lagoon. Look how lovely this is. Now, our second stop, Halong Bay. And we just stopped on the side of the road here, like, just stopped on the side of the road. How cool is this view? Just made it to a hotel in Hoi An, and it looks absolutely amazing. We've been greeted with tea and fruit, and we're just waiting to be checked in to our hotel. Looks like it's in a really nice location. This is just the restaurant area outside. We'll do a room tour once we get up to the room. So we've just got into our room, guys. It's called the Cozy Hoi An Boutique Villa, and this is amazing. Every hotel we've stayed in so far in Vietnam has been incredible. So this is the Cozy Hoi An entrance. Little snacks in the coffee pot. The sink with bathroom mirror and the lights. And nice shower. Come through here, and there's I think it's a double bed. Really nice. For the artwork. It's TV behind the bed here. Little mirror. And best thing, we've even got a little balcony. 2 chairs, a table, and a view over on to, I guess, residential areas. Look at this, how nice is this view? It's really nice here.
Just walking to dinner now. We don't really know what we're gonna have, but we are sort of craving a burger at the moment. I think we've had a bit of Vietnamese food this trip. Ugh, look at this. I have to say, Hoi An is quickly becoming my favourite place. What about you?
Oh, it's so beautiful. Love it so far.
Yeah, it's just a lot quieter, isn't it?
Definitely compared to like Hanoi.
Yeah.
Really looking forward to going and exploring the city tomorrow. We have a full day here, so
yeah,
go explore.
It's pretty exciting, isn't it? I think we'll be taking a lot of photos tomorrow. Should have brought our cameras tonight actually. It looks really cool. It's nicely lit up.
Yeah, it would be cool, but we're definitely going to go check out the old city tomorrow.
Yeah.
We bought our ticket for it because you do need a ticket for the old city here.
Yeah.
But, it's only a couple of dollars.
Yeah, it's like $6, $6 US or something like that.